Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be replacing a DC jack on a Dell laptop. So take a look at your laptop. If you have the DC jack here that is broken, meaning that is either you jam the DC jack or that connector is loose, you have to wiggle to get it charged, or maybe the computer is not taking the power whatsoever, then more likely it's either the bad battery or the bad DC jack, right? So changing out the DC jack is one of the cheapest way to do it, to identify the problem, and hopefully this would fix your laptop. And definitely for my case, I do need to have a DC jack replacement, and I'll be doing this video. Hopefully you can follow along and find the video is helpful. Alright, so let's go ahead and identify the laptop first. If you turn it around, this is a Dell Inspiron 3501. I know it's hard for you to read, but if you look carefully right here, it says Dell Inspiron 3501. Alright, get yourself a Phillips screwdriver. We will be removing all the screws here. On the laptop here, the two screws on the top right and the top left, they do not come off. So make sure you just unscrew until you feel like it's starting to click and it doesn't come off, the two screws here, okay? So once you have that, we're going to pry open the back cover here. So let's go ahead and pry it open. Okay, once the back cover is removed, the next step is to get the hinge up, meaning we need to open up the hinge in order to get that DC jack replaced. So here's my DC jack here. Okay, so we're gonna get it replaced. You can't push it all the way to at 90-degree angle. At this point, this is pretty much all the way that you can push it up to. And now what you can do is you want to go ahead and tug it underneath and get that DC jack out. Okay. Here is the connector. What you want to do is you want to slide the connector away from your body. So slide it outwards. So slide it to that direction. And that's how you remove the broken DC jack. And here's my new DC jack, and I'll be replacing with that. And what you want to do is you just have to slide it back in. That the metal part, the gold part right here, would be facing downwards, and there would be this flat, smooth surface will be on the upwards, so going in this direction. Okay, and then work your way around by cable management. Hide that cable underneath the motherboard. and slide that DC jack back into the slot, and you want to slide it in like so. And then press it down. Now here comes the Wi-Fi. Same thing, manage that cable, tug it underneath, and then slide it in. Make sure you have that one screw holding on to the Wi-Fi cable, and then the 3 screws that are supposed to go back in, secure the hinge. Okay, once you have done that process, pretty much you just have to have the back cover going back in, crunch it down. The top right screw has to go back in. Just push the back plate while you're screwing it in, because you need to have a little bit of a pressure for that plastic to go back in. Okay, once you hear the little click, it's pretty much all done. Have the screws all go back to in the right position, right place. Oh, if you find this video is helpful, please click the like and subscribe if you haven't. If you have any question regarding about the repair, please feel free to comment below. I do read your comment and I'll try to answer your questions. But yeah, if you're not sure where to buy the tools from or the replacement part from, please feel free to check please feel free to check the link down in the description below. Alright, there you have it. I just replaced the DC jack. Hopefully that would help to fix your computer. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.